Well, now let's talk about the importance of a budget. And we'll talk about your mortgage dashboard, a program that comes with your customized ebook. Feedthepig.org is a great place to go and get ideas about saving money and learning how to live within a budget. Some of the advantage of a budget are you're going to learn smart spending. Once you see where you're spending your money, you'll start to think about where you're spending your money. This will help relieve stress, it'll help you build wealth over time, build your credit, increase your buying power over time, and it'll help you understand how to plan for bigger purchases or save for vacations. You're going to start to feel good about yourself and your plan, and you need to have a budget in order to use the mortgage dashboard that comes with your customized ebook. So in your mortgage dashboard, the basic information starts with creating a budget. What you want to do is click on the button, go to budget, and then put in your total income information, put in your total expense information, and that calculates a discretionary income that will show you how much money you can afford to pay to your bank in principal reduction over time. Now you can use the customized dashboard, and we'll show you a live example soon in order to control your mortgage and take over from the bank. So in creating a budget, we've created the program with your loan information already in it, and it'll calculate your discretionary income for you. You simply enter the information that shows your total income, and then you enter information about your home expenses, transportation, health. We've also included categories for savings and retirement, daily living, entertainment, subscriptions, charities and gifts, if you have obligations such as student loans or credit cards, and any miscellaneous expenses. Just remember that all of these categories can be changed. They're all customizable, so each item under the categories can also be changed. And then once you've completed your budget, you'll be able to see a pie chart showing you exactly where your money is going at the end of each month. With the mortgage dashboard, you're also able to enter the payment information each month, and in doing so, you'll be able to track your progress over time. Your customized My Mortgage, My Choices ebook also comes with the My Mortgage dashboard, a pre-programmed calculator that will help you understand your loan and help you track your progress and help you understand what may happen should you decide to apply your discretionary income to reduce the balance of your loan. So it comes pre-programmed with information about your loan, and in this example, we'll look at a loan of $265,000 with a first payment date of August in 2004, an interest rate of 4.25, a term of 30 years. And then anytime when you're using your calculator, you see the yellow box, you can actually update that information. Let's put $350,000. So we'll assume that now the home value is $350,000, and that'll help update the chart as we go along. On the left, you'll see 3 bars. The red bar assumes that you're only making a regular monthly payment, and it'll show you how much time is left on your loan. The blue bar is your actual progress, so as you enter payment into the information, and we'll show you how quickly, then that gets updated and shows you how much time is left on your loan if you were to stop making additional payments. And the green bar shows your potential based on your ability to make extra payments and reduce the principal on your loan. On the right, you'll see a chart that shows the same thing. The red bar shows your regular monthly payment should you choose not to do anything as far as principal reduction. The blue bar will show your actual progress, and the green bar shows your potential. Notice that the green bar also shows that if you were to make those payments and pay it down over time, that you would save so many years in payments, and then gives you the option down below here. You can enter what interest rate you may think that you will earn if you were to put your monthly payment and any other commitment that you have into your principal reduction, pay your home off sooner, and then invest that amount. It'll show you the amount of your retirement savings based again on the interest rate that you put in here. Now on the left side, it'll show you your payoff date based on the 3 scenarios. It'll show you your total interest payments by the time you pay off your plan. That will help you understand how much your interest savings is, and then a update as to where you are during the current month. This would show how much you've saved in time. It'll show your total interest savings to date, your current balance, and then an estimated equity. On the right side, and it all starts with a budget, you'll have information from your budget on your total income, your total expenses, and that will help calculate your discretionary income. So according to this budget, this person has $250 available to apply. You can change this number to 300, and notice that the green bar will change, the green bar over here will change. Let's change this to 100, and notice that now it takes more time to pay off the home and that the investment is less. Another nice feature that we have included is that if you want to choose your payoff date, let's say for example you wanted to retire on January 1st of 2026. You enter the date up here, and this will tell you whether or not your payment needs to be higher in order to pay off your home on this date. So we'll make that payment higher. We'll change that to 250. Now you can look over here and see that your payoff date would be July 1st of 2026. Notice it needs to be a little bit higher. So let's try 300. Now your payoff date is February of 2026, still a little higher, so we'll go to 310, and now it says close enough, and your payoff date would be when you retire, January 1st, 2026. That tells you that if you were to pay an extra $310 a month, that your home would be paid off on the date that you choose. So you can play around with these dates, play around with the amount, and see what can happen for you. In addition, once you've paid off your home, now you have the opportunity to make additional monthly payments towards a retirement. You've freed up your mortgage, you no longer have to pay a mortgage, and that amount can be invested. You can change the interest rate here. If you think that you may earn 5%, then that'll change your potential earnings if you were able to stick to this plan. And now let's show you how to update your budget so that it will automatically calculate your discretionary income. Simply click on the budget button. Your loan information is pre-programmed already. Simply enter the information about your monthly income. You can add income. Perhaps you earn $1,000 a month on a side business, and that will update your discretionary income. So we'll delete that. Now simply scroll down and complete information about your home expenses, transportation. Let's say, for example, that your phone was $32 a month as opposed to $132. Now you can see that your discretionary income has gone up to $349. We can go back to the dashboard, see that now you have that available. You can enter the $349 here and see what potential impact that has on your loan. Now once you've completed your budget information, you can click on the button on the top to enter payment information as you progress through your loan. So notice that in this example, for the first few months, this person was able to pay an extra $135. Then they went a couple of months where they chose not to, and then they were able to pay $135. Let's say they got a tax return and they decided to apply part or all of their tax return to the principal reduction. All of this shows up, and perhaps they had a pay increase and so they chose to increase the amount. So over time, you have the opportunity to indicate exactly how much you're paying off towards your loan and see that impact by clicking here to go back on the dashboard. So now in conclusion, it is said that only 16% of Americans pay off their home early by using the concept of mortgage acceleration and reducing the principal of their loan. Most people understand the concept of paying your home off early, but few people do it. And I believe that the reason is they don't understand with their specific mortgage what the effects are of applying their discretionary income towards reducing the balance of their loan. So we hope that this calculator will help you understand how your loan works and help you understand how to make good decisions and lead you to a more financially secure future.